Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try out the new MERCIER Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. So I got this in a box from Influencer. Peep the box. And basically on the outside it just says MERCIER New Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. And so basically what Influencer is it's a program or company or whatever you want to call it that will send you products to try out, and it's completely free. You sign up and then you go and you review products and you link your social media accounts, and then you get chosen, or I would want to say it's kind of random, but the more influence you have, the more likely you are to be chosen. So I have almost an 8,000 influence because I have a larger than average Instagram page, I have a YouTube channel, stuff like that. But that's not to say that if you don't have a large platform that you're not going to get chosen. For example, my sister is not into makeup or anything like that, but she still has gotten sent multiple boxes. She got the Kat Von D brow stuff and whatnot. So she got a bunch. So this is not saying that oh, hey, you have to be big to get them to send you stuff. No, just go on and review stuff and you'll get sent boxes. So that being said, the box, on the inside it comes with a card, and it shows you the original powder, the glow powder, a brush, and a powder puff. So basically, this is entirely free and complimentary to me. And it says, set your makeup and glow. It comes with a translucent loose setting powder in glow. Your favorite powder now comes in glow. Introducing the new translucent loose setting powder glow for the setting luminosity that stays. How many times can I say glow? It says how to use. Sprinkle the loose setting powder glow, translucent loose setting powder glow, into the product lid and apply with a specially designed glow powder brush to set makeup with a healthy glow. The glow powder brush, this makeup artist crafted design, allows pearls to float on the skin and apply powder evenly and smoothly within the contours of the face. How to use: gently swirl brush to pick up product, tapping off any excess. Use a light sweeping motion, apply all over face, focusing on cheekbones. And then the travel size translucent loose setting powder and mini velour puff. Sets makeup without adding weight or texture, absorbs oil and controls shine for 12-hour modern matte finish. How to use: press velour puff into the loose powder and work powder into the puff. Gently press into your skin using a rolling motion to work the powder in. Get started by logging on and checking blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that's what it is. Let's open them up. So for starters, the new product is the full-size one, and it's the glow powder. It says it's supposed to blur fine lines, extend your wear, and have a natural luminosity, and it's supposed to be lightweight. The package feels really luxurious. I know this is a slightly, it's the same kind of packaging, but the coloring is a little different than the normal translucent powder. The normal one it also comes with, and I know I like this powder, so just the box is the same as always. So you can see the slight difference, the cap is just shinier. Can you tell? So that's the size difference. So this is a $23 value and this is a $38 value. So you're getting quite a bit more. It's a 29 gram versus a 9.3 gram. So, and then the brush. Oh, okay, by the way, the little mini powder came in the puffs. So the brush, I'm not 100% sure how much the brush retails for. There we go. Let me Google that. It's soft and it cups your cheekbone nicely. It's odd, but it's okay. Let me look up how much the brush goes for. The glow brush retails for $38. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna just prime my face really fast with the Silk Canvas Primer, of course. I've been using this one a lot lately. Oh, that did not do much. Usually I don't apply it like that, so that was kind of weird. I'll just take a little bit and I'll just press it into my nose, wherever you have pores, basically. And then I like to take another kind of primer and put it on the rest of my face. So I'm just going to take the Hangover RX because it's a hydrating primer and I tend to be a little drier. And granted, this is supposed to be a glow powder. I still want to do my face like normal. I've just been combination to dry lately. Okay, and I have been loving the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. I hope it's... No! I don't think that's what this is. I think this was a sample I got of something else. Oh well. It's a little dark, but it'll be okay. I'm not going anywhere. This is either the new It Cosmetics foundation, the matte one, or it's the Becca the longwear one. I don't remember what it's called. Ultimate Coverage Foundation in my sister's shade. Or it could be the Makeup Forever, but I don't think it's the Makeup Forever. The Makeup Forever doesn't usually look like this on me. Okay. Now that that's taken care of, we can set it with the powder. So I'm going to take the Laura Mercier, the glow one. Peel the sticker off. And it says to dump it in the cap and swirl your brush in it. Something's coming out. It's hard to get it into the cap. There we go, we got a little bit in there. I'm just swatching it, I kind of want to see how it looks. Okay. So there is definitely a glow there. It reminds me, you probably can't see the difference on camera. It reminds me of the, whatchamacallit? I put it on the brush. It reminds me, why can't I think the ambient lighting powders by Hourglass? Okay, it does give a glow, and I do like that, but I don't like the brush. I don't like how curved it is, because then like, okay, I'm trying to do my forehead, but it's curved. I didn't conceal. I'm only gonna do half of my face, and I'm gonna do the other half in the Laura Mercier powder. But let me put some concealer on first. Just a little bit of the Too Faced. Going this way, just a smidge. Because this is supposed to be able to be put on top of powder. So I guess we're testing that too, huh? I think I need a little bit more. Okay, so I don't like this brush at all. But I do kind of like the finish. It does give like a kind of glow, which it's supposed to. So I think in the winter I would like this when I'm looking super dry. Or even under my eyes, because I tend to stay pretty dry under there. So I'm going to use the regular loose setting powder on the other side. So it comes in the same kind of packaging. And I'm going to use a normal brush for this. Let me take a clean brush though. It's just a Morphe one. So the matte side is more blurring, which I kind of prefer the more blurriness of it. But it does, I think, age me a little bit. Can you guys tell the difference? But I mean, you can see like the slight glow to my skin over here, whereas this side doesn't really have that. But I mean, it's still pretty. Like, I would use it again on, especially with like matter foundations. This one just blurs better. So let me pop on some bronzer. I'm just gonna take my butter bronzer and I'm gonna try it on both sides to compare. So the butter bronzer itself doesn't have any glow to it in comparison to some other bronzers that I like that Too Faced one. Whoa, that like stuck really bad. No, that looks really muddy. Dagnabbit, what am I gonna do? It's like a contour gone wild. Ugh. So stuff does definitely blend out on top of it. On this side, you can tell that I have a little bit of bronze. This side is just kind of, I don't know if I put too much on or what the deal was, but that just like stuck and wouldn't blend out. So needless to say, that is that. Now for blush, I'm going to take this Tarte blush in Party. I'm just honestly going to use that same brush because I need to wash my brushes today anyways. And we're just going to like pat that on the cheeks. I think that's pretty. It gives like a very luminous flush to the skin. So like with the blush on top of it, it just looks like a natural glow, which I really like. I don't like my blushes to look too flat. I think it looks incredibly fake. So like this side, I think looks much faker than this side. So, but I do love the blurriness and the smoothness of this side. So that being said, on to highlight. Should I highlight or should I just leave it? We'll pop a little tiny bit of my favorite Makeup Forever highlighter. Just the slightest tiny bit. My favorite highlighting brush, the Morphe Y14. And just a smidge for that nice glow. Nothing too crazy. Just adding glow to your skin just makes you look so much more youthful. We'll put a little bit on the tip of my nose and up here. But I'm not gonna like go crazy and do like the whole rest of my face. Okay. Well, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera. This was basically just to show you like how the products all apply, you know? So Yeah, I really like the glow powder. Honestly, it gives like a nice finish to the skin. The products sit well on top of it, as you could see. I don't think it blurs as much as the normal one does. Can you guys tell? Like, what do you think? So this is the glow side, and this is the not glow side. Okay, well, a huge thank you to Influencer for letting me try out this product. I really honestly liked it, and I'm glad I got to try it out because I don't think I would have ever tried this out from like in the store. Typically, I like my powders to be matte, so to have this sent to me was a big blessing, courtesy and complimentary of Influencer. So yeah, thank you, Influencer, and thank you, Laura Mercier, for granting me this privilege to try this out. Let me know down below what you thought about this. Do you think it looks any different? Have you tried this? Do you like the Laura Mercier powder? Or what's your favorite powder? Like, I want to know it all, okay? So let me know, and thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!